How can I get a new browser session when opening a new tab or window on Firefox/Chrome? When opening new Internet Explorer window, a new browser session is issued. Therefore, you can log in with two different accounts on the same service, let's say Gmail. The same does not apply when opening a new tab in the same window in Internet and NBSB Explorer. How can I get a new browser session when opening a new tab or window on Firefox? How about Google Chrome?
In Chrome you can use private browsing to achieve the same. Chrome, Wrench Tools menu / open new window without history. In Firefox you can use EA tab extension, and have another tab rendered with an EA engine to achieve the same effect. Here are some other options. This URL.
As of Firefox 57 aka Firefox Quantum, the Firefox Multi-Account Containers extension, developed by Mozilla, will allow you to use multiple accounts on the same website, with a different account per tab or window. Under the hood, it separates website storage into tab-specific containers. Cookies downloaded by one container are not available to other containers. With the Firefox Multi-Account Containers extension, you can sign into two different accounts on the same site. For example, you could sign into work email and home email in two different container tabs. Keep different kinds of browsing far away from each other. For example, you might use one container tab for managing your checking account and a different container tab for searching for new songs by your favorite band. Avoid leaving social network footprints all over the web. For example, you could use a container tab for signing into a social network, and use a different tab for visiting online news sites, keeping your social identity separate from tracking scripts on news sites. After installing the Firefox Multi-Account Containers extension, click the containers icon to edit your containers. Change their colors, names, and icons. Long-click the New Tab button to open a new container tab. Firefox versions prior to 57 can use Multifox is an extension that allows Firefox to connect to websites using different usernames simultaneously. For example, if you have multiple Gmail accounts, you can open them all at the same time. Each Firefox window, managed by Multifox, accesses an account without interfering each other. Each Multifox window is flagged with a number indicating the identity profile. Logins made in windows with different numbers are isolated. Logins are preserved the same way they are in regular windows, even if you close the window or quit Firefox. The identity profile of each window is preserved when Firefox restores the session.
I am not expert in this topic. I found some interesting thing while surfing in internet and also see that it is not mentioned in any of the answers already posted. Hope it will be helpful for someone. If you want to open completely new session using Chrome in Windows, enter below command in command prompt app in Windows after creating Chrome_dev_session directory in C drive. It is as clean as Chrome window you opened for the first time after you installed it. It may be a bit laborious task to create directory and enter this command every time you want to open new session, but has been very useful for me. Extra reading. I used below command to disable CORS, cross-origin resource sharing, in my computer while testing some feature.
This answer answers specifically the question/user case described here. Chrome, open separate browser windows, each in incognito mode, that do not share data between. However, that question is locked since it is marked as a duplicate, pointing to this question, so I can't post an answer there. For Google Chrome, if you want a simple way to have a new browser window with a new, temporary session, that is not sharing cookies with other sessions/windows, invoking a simple script can do the trick. Opening a new window in incognito mode gives you one more session, however, further incognito windows will belong to that same session, so normal mode plus incognito mode will give you at most 2 separate sessions in total, regardless of number of windows. I use the following. It's written for OS X. It further opens the window in incognito mode. Simply drop incognito if that's not desired.
What's the whole thing?